Here's a question that might shock you. Most millionaires aren't richer because they work harder than you. They're richer because they think differently, act differently, and quietly, almost invisibly, follow habits the rest of us never notice. Today, we're going to break down exactly what 1,000 self-made millionaires do differently and why it could change the way you approach money forever. Most people never build wealth, even if they work 60 hours a week. Why? Because hard work alone doesn't create financial freedom. You can have a high-paying job, multiple side hustles, and still struggle to save. Studies show 70% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. The reason isn't effort, it's strategy. It's what millionaires do differently, often subconsciously, that compounds over time. And here's what's fascinating. 87% of millionaires share three core habits. Habits that most people completely ignore. Habit number one, millionaires invest, not just save. But here's the catch. They don't just buy a stock here or there. They invest with intention, consistently, over decades. For example, a 30-year-old who invests $500 a month in a diversified index fund earning 8% annual returns could accumulate over $800,000 by age 60. Compare that to someone who saves $500 a month in a regular bank account earning 0.5% interest. After 30 years, they'd have barely over $180,000. Millionaires don't let their money sit idle. They let it work silently, compounding quietly, while the average person waits for a raise to feel financially secure. And the surprising part, they do it without chasing trends, hot stocks, or get-rich-quick schemes. Habit number two, millionaires invest in themselves. Not just any self-improvement. They focus on financial literacy, market understanding, and skill development that translates directly into income or investment opportunities. The average person spends 5 hours a week scrolling social media. The average millionaire spends at least 5 hours a week reading business books, financial reports, or attending seminars. Over a decade, that's roughly 2,600 hours of targeted learning, about equivalent to a graduate degree. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He spends 80% of his day reading. That consistent accumulation of knowledge allows him to make decisions with clarity, confidence, and foresight. Millionaires also learn from mistakes faster. They fail quietly, analyze what went wrong, and adjust, rather than repeating the same financial missteps. And here's the kicker. It's not just about money. This habit creates a mindset that naturally identifies opportunity, even in markets that seem saturated or volatile. Habit number three, millionaires are deliberate about who they surround themselves with. But here's the nuance. It's not just about networking for favors or deals. It's about building a circle that challenges, inspires, and opens doors. Research shows 79% of millionaires maintain regular contact with at least 5 mentors or peers who are financially successful. These connections provide insight, accountability, and opportunities that most people never have. Consider this. 2 entrepreneurs start businesses at the same time. One has a supportive network of experienced mentors and peers. The other doesn't. After 5 years, the first entrepreneur's business grows 3 times faster. Not because they work harder, but because they leverage collective knowledge, connections, and credibility. Millionaires also avoid energy drains. They consciously distance themselves from negativity or financial habits that could hold them back. Every interaction is intentional. Every relationship is curated. What most people don't realize, this habit compounds even faster than investing money. It accelerates financial growth by opening doors you didn't even know existed. Let's put this together. A person who invests $500 monthly, educates themselves consistently, and cultivates the right network could realistically reach millionaire status within 25 to 30 years, starting from nothing. Meanwhile, someone working 50-plus hours a week, saving randomly, ignoring financial education, and sticking to a stagnant social circle, may never reach that milestone. No matter how hard they work, the difference isn't luck, it's habits, daily, almost invisible choices that over time create enormous outcomes. And here's what really surprised me. Millionaires often don't talk about it. They don't broadcast their habits. That's why the average person never notices what they're doing differently. If you found this eye-opening, subscribe to Stack Financial. In our next video, we'll reveal the 7 subtle spending habits that secretly prevent people from building wealth, even if they earn 6 figures. Understanding these hidden patterns could be the difference between staying comfortable and truly stacking wealth. Until then, start thinking like a millionaire, act intentionally, and let your money work quietly in the background.